We've got a wild child abandonment case coming out of Georgia, where a deadbeat dad thought he could ignore court orders and pay child support on his terms. Spoiler alert, that's not how any of this works. As someone who paid child support for nearly 15 years before my son came to live with me, I can tell you firsthand. Playing games with the system is a fast track to a warrant, just like today's genius found out. So let's get into it.
Next, position 11, Trenton Hart Phelps and Jamesia Barrett. Okay. Okay, can I have you remove your, okay, turn on your camera, and both of you raise your right hands, please. Oh, Miss Barrett, your right hand, please. Okay, now the camera seems to have gone off.
Oh, that was the wrong young lady. This is Miss Barrett that's in now. She needs to turn her camera on and unmute.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm sorry, Mr. Phelps, if you could raise your hand again. Do you swear that the testimony that you're about to present is the truth and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury?
Yes.
Okay, I need both of you to audibly respond.
Yes.
Okay, so
It's the long one upstairs in the workroom. I'm sorry, my computer's gonna die.
oh, no problem. Okay, so Mr. Phelps, I show that you made a very small payment. December 4th. What is going on with child support? You have a low child support obligation, $362 a month. So what is the issue? Why isn't that getting paid?
It's because, let's be real, he's a piece of trash and a textbook deadbeat dad. He clearly doesn't care about anything or anyone that isn't directly attached to his own body. Like most narcissists, he's full of excuses, none of which include taking responsibility. It's always someone else's fault, someone else's problem, and somehow, he's the real victim here. Just listen to how he shifts blame onto everyone but himself.
I have no control when my contractor pay me. When my contractor pay me, I will pay the remaining from last month and this month. If you check the payments, that's what's been going on. I've been paying whenever my contractor pay me. I have no control on when he pays me. So when he pays me,
you do have control. You have control that you can get another job.
I don't pay myself.
No, you get another job.
No. I wait on my contractor to pay my money.
Yeah, you're about as clueless as you look. If your job doesn't pay enough to cover your legal responsibilities, like, say, supporting your kids, then it's simple. Get another job. Think of it this way. Would you still work there if you had to wait on a lump sum payment just to eat? No? Then maybe your kids shouldn't have to either.
Well, that's not working for you.
Yeah, it works. They get the payment. Have you checked the other payments? It'd be a lump sum that I pay when my money comes.
But it's not putting you ahead because you've got $13,000 worth of arrearages. It'd be one thing if you were going to pay us $13,000, but I doubt it. You're going to just
and nobody have control when my contractor pays me except for him. You all do not control when my contractor pays me.
Listen to me, Mr. Phelps.
The jokes.
You have control to get a different job or to get a second job. If he's not paying you in such that you can take care of your bills, you need to move on because child support is not going to accept 18 years of this.
My son's 12 years old. Y'all, I guess y'all be seeing me until he's 18. Then y'all gonna grow with us then.
No, we're not going to see you.
Y'all have no control on when I get paid.
Your kids don't have any control over how or when you get paid, but you do. And because you chose not to handle your business, the court is about to take control of something else, your freedom. Your refusal to follow court orders is about to interfere with your favorite pastime, snacking on crayons in peace. Translation? You're about to go to jail.
Listen to me.
I pay a lump sum.
Okay, Mr. Phelps, I'm not going to argue with you. We are going to go ahead and issue a warrant for your arrest. And you can handle it between you and the jail. and then
It
state
don't
court will
matter.
do
You're
your
only taking
trial.
from my child. Plain and simple. You don't control when I
Okay.
get paid. I get
Okay.
paid from my contractor. When my
Okay.
contractor pays me,
I
you
am
get a lump
going to
sum.
count this as a refusal to pay, and a arrest warrant shall issue. Okay, and that's the way that will be handled, because we're not going to go through this for the next, what, 6 years.
Thank you.
Okay, so do you have that, Miss Lanier, and Miss Barrett, are you able to come in and sign the warrant?
Yes, I can.
Hey, while you're sitting in jail, maybe your job will find someone else to fill in as the fluffer. In the meantime, you can use that quiet time to think about getting a real job, one that actually lets you meet your responsibilities.
Okay, as soon as you
Yeah,
take
you
care
just
of
take
your
it from
part.
Trent. She knows she gonna get her money. Plain and simple.
Mm,
Who
All
okay.
I
cares?
say, it's just with me, it's just not consistent. That's the only thing. Like little payments.
Mhm.
It's the month of Christmas. I don't even got my phone on right now because I'm
Right.
sacrificing. I have bills, like everything is pending. Like I literally sacrifice.
Mhm.
I have other
Okay.
children as well, and
So,
their father do.
Miss
It-
Barrett,
it-
you don't have to explain, you're doing the right thing. I mean, bills need to be paid on time, so when you're raising a child,
And then
and
I
there's no two
constantly
ways
keep
about it.
getting disrespected, and I don't even ask. It took me 10
Mhm.
10 years to finally do a child abandonment. That's because my son is
Mhm.
older, he's bigger. It's
Mhm.
life. We got to take care
Right.
of the kids. I don't ask him for much. We don't even talk on the phone. My child
Okay.
at the age, I just let my son talk to him and go on, but I do appreciate it.
Okay, so you know where to go for the warrant
No, ma'am,
signature?
where would I?
Okay,
No.
I'm gonna have Miss Lanier give that to you in the chat. And, so we'll go ahead and move that forward, okay?
Thank
I'm
you.
sorry, but have a Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Okay.
You as well. All
You're
right.
welcome.
All
Okay,
right. Bye.
both of you are dismissed.
All right, folks, that's a wrap. Like I said in a previous video, we shine a light on stupid people doing dumb things, and this clown checks both boxes. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, go ahead and hit dislike. I'll live. Drop a comment below. And make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you never miss a dose of this madness. I'm Justice Executed, and we're out.